Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect HubSpot to Gmail step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have an active HubSpot account and a Gmail account. You'll need admin or user access in HubSpot and a Gmail account with full login credentials. Step 2. Open HubSpot and go to Settings. Log in to your HubSpot account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Email Integrations. In the left sidebar, click Integrations, then select Email Integrations or Connected Emails, depending on your HubSpot version. Step 4. Connect your Gmail account. Click Connect Personal Email and choose Gmail as your provider. You'll be redirected to a Google login page. Step 5. Log in and authorize HubSpot. Enter your Gmail credentials and allow HubSpot to access your email, contacts, and calendar. Make sure to grant full permissions to enable tracking and CRM features. Step 6. Configure email tracking and logging. After connecting, you can toggle options to automatically log emails in HubSpot and track opens and clicks for better email analytics. Step 7. Test the integration. Send a test email from Gmail to a contact in HubSpot. Check your HubSpot CRM to ensure the email appears correctly and tracking is active. Your Gmail account is now successfully connected to HubSpot, allowing you to log, track, and manage emails directly within your CRM. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more productivity and CRM tutorials.